We usually go grocery shopping on weekends. We usually go grocery shopping on weekends. Let's check what we had at home. Let's check what we have at home. Open the fridge and look inside. Open the fridge and look inside. We are running out of milk. We are running out of milk. The butter is almost finished. The butter is almost finished. We have some vegetables left. We have some vegetables left. The fruit basket is empty. The fruit basket is empty. The bread is already dry. The bread is already dry. We're low on rice. We're low on rice. There's only one pack of noodles left. There's only one pack of noodles left. Let's make the shopping list. Let's make the shopping list. I'll write it down on my phone. I'll write it down on my phone. Add some chicken and fish. Add some chicken and fish. I think we are ready to go. I think we are ready to go. Let's find a parking spot. Let's find a parking shop. Grab a shopping cart. Grab a shopping cart. Let's begin in the produce section. Let's begin in the produce section. Let's get apples, bananas, and grapes. Let's get apples, bananas, and grapes. Let's get some vegetables. Let's get some vegetables. Don't forget the lettuce, onion, and garlic. Don't forget the lettuce, onion, and garlic. The price of potatoes are good today. The price of potatoes are good today. Let's move to the meat section. Let's move to the meat section. Do we need ground beef? Do we need ground beef? Yes, we can use it for spaghetti. Yes, we can use it for spaghetti. Check the expiry date on the package. Check the expiry dates on the package. The fish is so fresh. The fish is so fresh. Now, let's go to the diary section. Let's go to the diary section. I need low-fat milk and yogurt. I need low-fat milk and yogurt. Let's move to the bakery section. The croissants are freshly baked. The croissants are freshly baked. I'll take a small pack. I'll take a small pack. The coffee section is over there. Now, let's find the snacks. The chips are on sale. Take a big pack. The chips are on sale. Take a big pack. Now we're done shopping for everything on the list. Now we're done shopping for everything on the list. Let's go check out at the counter. Let's go check out at the counter. This is your total bill of $60. This is your total bill of $60. I will use my ATM card. I will use my ATM card. That's all for the day. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Comment down below which video would you guys like to see next. Until next time.